Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2008 VE Commodore Lumina sedan, stock reference number 4691. This shape runs from the 8th month 2006 through to the 4th month 2013. It has an LEO 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. LEO 3 litre V6 petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the front end. Fitted with factory 18-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. We have the left-hand power door mirror. Left front door has 2 small dents. Left rear door has 1 small dent. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left-hand tail light. It appears to have no damage. Tidy rear bumper cover with tow bar cutout. Aftermarket Aranda tow bar supplied with 4 bolts, brackets, loom, neck and module. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 1 small dent. Right front door has 2 dents. Right power door mirror, right door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey leather interior. It's got a leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, blower punk, CD player, display screen, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.